All right, we're going to do a little camp cooking here. We're going to take some of these crescents and some Nathan's beef franks, and we're going to make what the pigs in a blanket, I guess they're called, and we're going to use that Coleman oven outside. So I'll see you outside when we get these things put together. All right, we got our little hot dog cut in half and little crescent rolls kind of surrounding them. So we're going to get our Coleman oven fired up on top of our little Coleman stove, and then we'll start doing some cooking. All right, and it sounds like we are running. Yes, we are. And we put these in here like this. It'll take a few minutes for the oven to get up to temperature. We need to be at 375 for about 13 minutes. So we'll take a look at it here in just a bit. Obviously we're looking for that poofing up. Alright, we're already climbing to up to 100. And it is a hot, still muggy day. Probably right near 80 degrees Fahrenheit. Humidity is up there. Had a lot of rain over the last 4 or 5 weeks. Severe weather and stuff, so. But it's climbing away. We'll wait a couple more minutes before we open it up. We'll see what it looks like. Alright, we're closing up on 200. Doesn't take long. No wind out here. Nice and warm, like I said. So, no competition in thermal loss here. $250 degrees. And we're looking for about 375. It won't take long where this thing is going. We'll take a look at it here shortly. Oh yeah, see that poofing? Alright, we're right near 300 degrees. Alright. We're about what, 350 almost? Let's take a look. Oh yeah, it's starting to brown up. Alright, let's take a look in here. Oh yeah. Starting to firm up nice. We're at 350 degrees right now. Alright, what we're looking for is a crusty texture. I'd say right close, right close. Give it 1 minute, and then we'll take that off. And we are, just shy of 350. If I'd have put that thermal blanket on I use sometimes, it'd be even hotter, but being as it's near on 80 degrees Fahrenheit, I figured that this should be okay. We got a visitor, a blue jay up there looking at me. Alright, let's take a look. Oh yeah, we're done. Let's turn this thing off. Whoop, there she goes. Look at there. Good old camp food. Like I said, it's just hot dogs in there. We cut the hot dogs in half and Crescent rolls just peeled right off, and perfect little texture. Alright, some pretty simple camp food. Alright, the little tray is from the Coleman oven outside, and these are from the more traditional oven in the house. So I'd say they look quite good.